science and technology. In order to combine technology and talent, improve product quality and efficiency, the company designs and manufactures vacuum blood collection tube, automatic tube loading, coagulant dosing spray, drying, capping, vacuum pressing cap, tube taking, fully automatic mechanical equipment for loading trays, etc. All adopt programmable control and pneumatic actuators. Through automation waterline, achieve the purpose of fully automated combined production. The automatic labeling system for the production line is stable for blood collection tubes, as well as a variety of round test tubes and other self-adhesive labels, as well as transparent label automatic labeling. Intelligent control, using German GS photoelectric sensor to achieve automatic photoelectric tracking, with nothing no post label.